Adding variants to your Shopify products. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to add variants to your Shopify product. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just go to your product section over here and then just simply add your product if you don't have one. But if you do, just simply click on the product that you've made. And then if you want to add variants to your product, just scroll down until you see variants right here. So in here, you can add a variant just by clicking on add variant right here. And then after that, you can add any kind of variant you like. Or what you can also do is exit out of here and then just go back to variants again. Just click on add another option. And then from here, you can either choose what kind of variant you want to add. So Shopify has some pre-made variants that you can choose, or you can create your custom one right here. But for me, I'll just use the pre-made ones from Shopify. So for example, I'll just add size as a variant. And then from here, what you want to do is you just input the size of your product, like small, set another one, medium, large, XL, double XL, triple XL, extra small, and then there you go. So once you're done customizing your products, just click on done, and then there you go. What you can also do is change the prices of your variants. So to do that, just go at the bottom over here, and then from here, you can now change the prices of your variants. So you can have a separate price for your small size, another price for your medium size, and a lot more. So feel free to customize your prices out. And then once you're done customizing your variants, just click on save. And then there you go. Everything is now saved. And now we have variants for our product. And then after that, you are now done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create variants for your products in Shopify. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.